Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Mireille Pegu and today I want to share with you a sample patchwork blog which is here. It's a fun project and it's a beginner friendly project, so get your favorite fabric and just get started. Why do I say that this project is really good for a beginner in the sewing field? Because we are practice only one stitching. We are repeat the same straight stitching, and these help us to understand our machine and to grow with confidence while doing the same exact stitching on all over all these blocks that we put together. We have like 20 pieces that we put together only with a straight stitching, and we are using a basic cotton fabric. So here it's really a fun way to get to know your machine and to practice your basic stitching. That's the reason why I really love this project, and I hope you too. I show you all the pieces. Before I share with you the 20 pieces we will use to make this block, I want to give you the dimension of this block. We have 20.5 inch by 20.5 inch. It's a square, meaning 52 centimeter by 52 centimeter. So the 20 pieces that we use to do this patchwork, we have only two type of fabric. This is the wax fabric that I had, and I cut into it's 6 inch by 6 inch, meaning 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter. So I have it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 pieces like this. And the solid color, this one I use this one. I have also 6 like this. It's 6 inch by 6 inch, also 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter. So I also have 6 here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, meaning we already have 12 here. And for the corner I have 4 like this. It's the same fabric, I just cut to have this design on the corner, but it's the same fabric like this. This is also the wax fabric that I used for that. And this one we have 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, meaning it's not, meaning 12, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 4 is 16 pieces, not 20, 16 pieces to have this square. So this is what we will use. I will put this one aside, and we will start with these 2. I will show you what we do with this. Before moving to the sewing machine, what we will do, we will put these 2 pieces together, and with that I will use this friction pen to draw a line here like this. You choose one of the color, and for me this one, it's easy to see the line like this. Okay, I already draw a line here. So we have this 6 piece with a line like this. If you are not sure in the beginning, you can just use your ruler to draw another line for like a 1/4 inch here. I will draw like this. The line you will follow for the stitching, like this. You can draw a line like this. So you will sew here and here. So after that you put right side with right side like this together. I use my pin. Right side, and right side here. Right side and right side. You aligned really well. Yes, all the pieces are here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now we go to the machine and we will sew 2 lines here, this line and that one. This is a 1/4 inch from the center. So if you want, you can draw the 2 lines on all the pieces before move on to the machine. So we go to the machine now. It's a beginner project. If it's the first time you are doing a project in a sewing machine, I will show you how to do it, or to thread your machine. My machine is a computerized machine. I need a plug here, the plug-in is here, and I just click the bottom here, and you will hear a little bit noise saying that the machine is on the base setting. Yes, now it means my machine is on the base setting. Most of the machine are filled in this the same way. You have the spoon, the bobbin spoon, and the bobbin for the under thread. So here I need to fill first my bobbin case, and to do that with my machine, I just put my bobbin spoon here. And I have a hole here where to pass my thread, like this. And I come here, have it like this. You have it here. And then I just lock here. Now I can just cut off the extra and then continue to fill my bobbin. And everything is done. So our bobbin is ready. I just put it in the bobbin case like this. Now I need to thread the open thread like this in my machine. I just cut like this, down, come into the loop here. And now I'm ready to start. Before starting sewing my project, I would test the setting machine on this leftover fabric to be sure that everything is correctly done. This is what I have. So for me, the tension, all the thing, it's good. So I can start directly on my project. I'm happy with what I see here. So if you are a beginner and you are looking for a step-by-step process to start your project every time that you need, I have put together all my routines on the document you will find below, which is your ultimate beginner checklist for a confident start. You can use it as your routine to get started every day. So click the link below and take yours. Now we start sew our patchwork. So I have 6 pieces. So I will sew a 1/4 inch each side like this, straight line. do the same thing here in the other side. So now what we would do is to cut our project on this line. If you have the scissor, you just follow the line and cut the project. If you have a rotary cutter, a map, and your ruler, you can just use that to cut your project. You continue to follow the line, the blue line here. We have all cut. Now we will open the seam and iron it. So I will put my ironing board here like this, and I will open all the seam and iron it. I will do like this on all the 12 pieces we have. We just finished to iron all the seam allowance flat like this. Now we will cut the extra for all the pieces, like here, like this. So this is what we have. The final measurement is 5.5 inch by 5.5 inch, meaning 14 centimeter by 14 centimeter. We have like this and this. So this is how I will place my patchwork. Okay, so this is what I want as a final picture. So what I would do now, I would just put them together like this. And sew them like this of a 1/4 inch, like here, 1/4 inch. 6 millimeter. Now we will sew like this. Here, 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 and here. A 1/4 inch seam allowance, 6 millimeter. This is what we have. Here you can still change the design you want. For example, I have, this is what I choose, and this is my son choice too. And you can still have this here, like this. You can choose to have this design, for example. So let me know the first one or the second one. So I will go with this. I will continue with this design, and then what I would do now, I will put like this together, and I will sew here and here. 1/4 inch seam allowance, 6 millimeter seam allowance. We are nearly done. Now what we need to do is just to put this together. Like this, and we will sew here a 1/4 inch seam allowance, 6 millimeter seam allowance. Yeah, finish. Our patchwork is finished. I believe it's 20.5 by 20.5 inch. I measure with my big ruler here. This ruler is 20.5 inch. So each size is a square. So when I put my patchwork here, yes, the finished size is like the ruler, 20.5 by 20.5 inch, meaning 52 centimeter by 52 centimeter. You can see here I iron all my seam flat, open flat. So here I wanted to have this flat here, all this intersection, to have it flat, because I intend to use it to make a pillow cover. You can see here I have put this mask in the way that I don't have any size when we use the patchwork. We can use it like this, we can use it like this, we don't care. The reason why I didn't put them in the same size, so be careful about that if you have some design which is like directional design. We are done with our patchwork block. This is what we have, and this is the design that I chose to make. You can play with that. You can have as many design that you want. It's dependent of your taste and how unique you want your patchwork block to be. For me, this size is enough, because I intend to use it to make a pillow cover, and I will show how I turn this into a pillow cover in the future videos. You can decide how to do as many blocks as you want, depending of depending of how bigger is your project. So for me, it's a really fun and good way to practice your stitching, especially if you are the beginner in the sewing field. And if you are looking for a way to establish a step-by-step process for you to build your skills and your confidence in the sewing, in your sewing journey, I put together my best routine and practice in this document that I call Sew Ready, Your Ultimate Beginner Checklist for a Confident Start. I put the link in the description below so you can download the checklist and you can use it as your routine to build this confidence along the way. If this tutorial was enjoyable for you, please hit the subscribe button and the like and the bell icon to be aware of everything that we share in our channel. I hope to see you in the next video, and bye.